at the Barenbrug booth at the GCSAA show, booth number 4627. Here we have a whole bunch of representatives from our company, ranging from sales internationally and domestic, R&D, marketing. So if you come on by, we have a whole bunch of people we can learn from. We have a new product launch called Pro Repair. It's powered by Turfmen, so a compost and soil-based patch repair kit. We're also launching and have launched A-list products, namely HCT SOD is now A-list certified, and you can even see it this year at the upcoming US Open. We also have a giveaway for some AirPod Pros, just with a survey you can fill out. We've also launched this new kind of competition for superintendents to enter for a golf course of the year if you're using Barenbrug products. If you're not here and you look to still interact with us, you can obviously reach us at any of our social media platforms or our website at info@barusa.com. Swing by the booth if you can, and if not, please reach out and we'd love to connect.